Hey, Joe at Fabspeed Motorsports USA. Going to have a brief video installation instructions and also mentions the benefits of the Fabspeed Porsche 911 Turbo 930 air intake. Many years ago, I designed the world's finest high-performance air intake for all Porsche 911 Turbos and 930s worldwide. This is for the intercooled cars. So from all 1978 to 1989, 3.3s, European also included, and also the 91, 92 C2 turbos. This air intake's dynamite for the cars. Plus 20 horsepower guaranteed, and you get to see your engine bay and enjoy it, and it's all benefits, and then just save your parts for the future. Anyway, here's the air box that comes on all Porsche worldwide. The air comes in here and goes through a flat filter. We sell BMCs for that. And then here's the same system that they use on the last of the air-cooled two-wheel drive cars, the C2 Turbo 965 1994 3.6. All right, so the tools you'll need are a 10mm ratchet, box end wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and a flat-bladed screwdriver. A little bit of brake clean and or acetone and a rag. First step I would do is remove your factory air intercooler or an aftermarket intercooler, because you're going to be trying to get the air intake out. You can try to slide it through here, but it makes life easy just to pop the intercooler out, all right? The next step is you take a 10mm ratchet. There are 2 bolts on the top of the air intake, air boxes, all 911 Turbo 930. You put those on there and you loosen those just to see what's going on. These are the 2 bolts that go to your Bosch CIS, continual injection system. It's actually a Mercedes-Benz injection, and then this is the gasket of rubber that goes on the bottom. So this goes through, locks in the aluminum. So you remove these 2 bolts, okay? Once you get these 2 bolts out, I recommend, because the cars are valuable and keep it historic too later on, put the bolts in a baggie. So once the air box is out of the way, here's what you're gonna see. On top of the Porsche aluminum CIS injection, it's an aluminum piece. You'll see a throat like that, and it's down there. You take a flat-bladed screwdriver, you gently pry. This thing will pop up. It's cadmium-plated steel with rubber in there. Put that in the bag as well, okay? And then if you fold this up, you can put it inside your airbox, store that in your basement. Once you have that done, you take either some acetone and or brake clean, and that aluminum piece that's sticking up, that's where your air filter is going to go on. So you clean that off really well. And then you open up your BMC filter that was custom designed for Fabspeed by me and our engineering team. This filter will slide on that air horn, okay? It's aluminum, so once it's clean, comes with a band strap, you tighten it up. It's washable, reusable with BMC oil filter, cleaning kit. And then our other piece comes with a water jet precision breather bracket, and you get 2 breathers and you get 2 plastic zip ties. All right, and it all comes on the worksheet. So as we come over to the car, you can actually see this installed on my personal car, and we've sold a lot of these to club racers, drivers, people in Germany and elsewhere. So over here in the corner is the BMC filter, and that's a Mercedes-Benz, actually an 8-cylinder CIS injection. Just for you gearheads, count them up. 2 missing, that's V8. We only using 6-cylinder. Anyway, that's clamped down. And then here's the black bracket that attaches to your Porsche airbox. You put this stainless steel bracket on there, use the existing nut and bolt, and then these 2 you reuse your hose clamps left and right. This is for the charcoal filter, and this is to the oil tank on the car, all right? The factory Porsche oil tank, and it's an elegant solution, has them up higher. Now you can actually see the whole side of the engine. You can see the red, you can see the injectors, you can see everything on your car, and there's over 20 horsepower gain by running it like this. Takes all that out of it. Now somebody might say, oh boy, isn't your car gonna be breathing hot air? Absolutely not. If you're stuck in traffic, think about this, ladies and gentlemen. This is a steel air box, designed probably in the 50s and 60s, all right? It's like a Dutch oven if you're camping with your kids. So this is absorbing heat, transferring heat to it, and it's a Dutch oven. Dutch oven's one of those camping devices where you put wooden things and it gets hot inside. So as you're driving down the road, I guarantee you it's over 20 horsepower by putting that on the car, and it's beautiful and it works. From Fabspeed Motorsports USA, the world's finest 911 Turbo 930 air intake for all 1978 to 1994 turbos, 3.3, Turbo S, you name it, European, Spiders, convertibles, coupes, We do it all here at Fabspeed Motorsports.